Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all? I hope my all lovely friends, viewers and family members will be fine and good. May Allah bless you. Ameen. Always be happy in your life. Always keep smile and enjoy every moment of your life. So dear friends, first of all, welcome back to my YouTube channel Garden Crest. Lovely viewers, today I have brought for you most beautiful winsome and splendid designs of garden fountain. In this video you can see flower and water garden fountains, designs and ideas. And I hope you will love and like these ideas. If you like these ideas, then friends encourage me and vote me by subscribing my channel, by liking my video and sharing my video with friends and family members. And I hope you will love and like this. In this video you can see top 50 plus mind-blowing, gorgeous and fabulous designs of garden fountain. These articles so decent, fabulous, outclass and stunning, and I hope you will love and like these ideas. If you like these ideas, then friends encourage me and vote me by subscribing my channel. I hope you will love and like and enjoy these beautiful designs of garden fountains. Dear friends, 50 plus gorgeous garden fountain ideas to add to your yard. 3-tier outdoor fountain, Morris style tiles finish a wall fountain. Gorgeous and mind-blowing garden fountains to inspire you. Table of contents flourishing focal point. These beautiful flower and water fountain enhance the beauty of your garden. Dear friends, concentrate your design around a water fountain. Incorporate plants and statues for a botanical occasion. So guys, please support my channel, please like and share my video with friends and family members. Discover new patio ideas, decor and layouts to guide your outdoor remodel. Outdoor water fountain designs ideas I am sharing and showing our style with symmetry, tire treatment, wall mountain, wonder. Discover the best outdoor fountain in the best and amazing designs. If you would like to add water to your garden but renovation isn't in the cards, a fountain is a perfect solution for your backyard water feature. Please subscribe my channel. After subscribing my channel, you will receive new and latest updates related to garden. So guys, make a splash in your outdoor design with one of these wow-worthy water feature ideas ranging from gardens to perfectly petite. So please support my channel, please like and share my video with friends and family members because my video are some of my best resources and definitely you will love and like this. Please enjoy the video and maybe you have never seen these beautiful designs of garden fountain. So in this video you can see fabulous and creative designs. If you have no idea how to fascinate your garden, so this you can see creative designs of garden fascinate. So please support my channel, be connected with me, don't forget press the bell icon. After press the bell icon, You will receive new and latest updates related to garden. See you soon. Take care. Allah Hafiz. May Allah bless you.